So the first question is nasolabial cyst. So nasolabial cyst is a soft tissue cyst. So you will not see any radiographic changes in nasolabial cyst, right? Okay, so that was easy. Now the second question will be Pierre-Robin syndrome. What is Pierre-Robin syndrome? Pierre-Robin will have cleft palate, that is the most important. Then the second one will be micrognathia. Micrognathia is small size of jaws. Okay, either maxilla or mandible. It is called as micrognathia. And the third feature of Pierre-Robin syndrome will be glossoptosis, right? So the first one is cleft palate, micrognathia, and then glossoptosis, right? So now moving on, what is glossoptosis? Glossoptosis is the downward and backward position of the tongue causing breathing difficulties. Okay, I have even given a small sketch there, you can refer to it. So basically the tongue is positioned in backward side of the oral cavity, and which may cause difficulty in breathing. Okay, so that is glossoptosis. So the next question will be reparative dentin, right? So when does the tooth produce or the dentin produces a reparative dentin? Reparative dentin is a reaction to moderate intensity attack on the dentin. Moderate intensity is important. Okay, when there is a moderate intensity attack on dentin, it produces reparative dentin in an attempt to seal off the dentinal tubules, right? Okay, so the next question is major component of composite. So the major component of composite resin is Bis-Gamma and UDMA. Okay, these are the two main components, Bis-Gamma and UDMA, the major components of composite, right? So moving on to the next question. So the next question is purpose of acid etching before applying composite. So what is the main reason? The main reason is to remove smear layer. Okay, and the second reason is to produce surface irregularities. So this is very important because they will ask you the main reason of acid etching. So some students get confused. They may think that producing surface irregularities is the main reason for acid etching, but even if it is one of the reasons of acid etching, but the main reason, the answer should be removing the smear layer, which is the most important reason of acid etching, right?